Next important personality who played an important role in order to stop the inequalities is Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. led a movement against racial discrimination. So he was the person who led or started a movement against the racial discrimination. The meaning of racial discrimination is means differentiate or distinguish on the basis of skin color. That means white people, black people, and so on. In the US, the dark skinned people or the blacks faced many discrimination and were denied all rights. So, in the US, dark skin, that means the person who had the black skin, they faced many discrimination and all the different types of rights were not given to the black people in the US. Martin Luther King Jr. decided to fight for their rights and became the leader of the civil rights movement. So he was the person who decided that in order to stop this discrimination and in order to fight for their rights, he became the leader of the civil rights movement. In 1964, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his work. That means for the to fight for their rights, that means to fight for the black people rights, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1964. Martin Luther King Jr. first experienced racial discrimination when his white neighbors refused to let him play with their boys. So he first experienced the racial discrimination when his neighbor who was white people, the white people refused to let him play with their boys. On another occasion, he was traveling by bus with his teacher when the driver asked them to stand up and let the two white people have their seats. So, the second incident where he faced the racial discrimination was that he was traveling by a bus with his teacher when the driver of that particular bus asked them to stand up because they are black people and their seats were given to the two white people. Martin Luther King Jr. decided to fight against such injustice. Many people around the world have raised their voice against all such injustice and inequalities. So many different types of important leaders, important social reformers, not only in India but in the other parts of the world, they have raised their voice against the injustice and inequalities based on this racial discrimination or on the basis of caste system. Their combined efforts have resulted in the eradication in inequalities and establishment of democracy as the most popular form of government in the world. So their efforts, their hard working finally have resulted in the abolition or stop practicing of the inequalities in almost all parts of the world, and finally the democracy. That means all the people should have equal opportunities, all the people should have equal rights, and right to vote to be given to all the people whether they belong to the higher section or the lower section. The democracy was popularized, and democratic form of government is considered the one of the best form of government all over the world. So with this we end the chapter.